Imagine a phone that can connect to satellites anywhere on Earth, mine cryptocurrency while you sleep, and even work on Mars. Sounds impossible? Well, this isn't science fiction. It's real, and it's called the Tesla Pi phone. Ladies and gentlemen, something historic just happened in technology. The Tesla Pi phone, the device teased in forums, debated in boardrooms, and hyped across social media, has finally been officially unboxed. Starting at just $780, it's not just another phone. It's a leap into a new era where smartphones, space, and global connectivity collide. Today, I'll show you what's inside the box, how the design and performance measure up, and the 10 hidden Starlink secrets that could change the way we use phones forever. Stay with me. The first secret alone might make you rethink everything you know about mobile tech. Unboxing experience. The box itself is unlike anything from Apple or Samsung. Minimalistic, yet bold, with a matte black finish and the Tesla Pi symbol embossed. Sliding it open, the Pi phone greets you, wrapped in a sustainable, reusable cover. Tesla's nod to the future, underneath. An included 65W fast charger surprises most reviewers, along with a braided USB-C cable and a Tesla SIM to eSIM transition kit. And tucked in, a Starlink quick start guide, hinting at the true star of the phone, Elon Musk's satellite network. Important point. But here's the thing. This phone hides a feature so wild, it could let you text anywhere on the planet without cell towers. Design and build. The Tesla Pi phone feels futuristic, not fragile. Aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame, matte glass back with a fingerprint-resistant nano layer, and a color-shifting backplate that changes shades with light. The glowing Tesla logo doubles as a notification pulse. Quad camera system in a triangular array, reminiscent of Starlink satellites, and an integrated side fingerprint scanner make it sleek and practical. It's lighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, yet more durable. Important point. And wait until you see the display. It's like holding a mini cinema in your hand. Display and gaming 6.9-inch 4K AMOLED display, 2500 nits brightness, 165 Hz refresh rate, and adaptive solar brightness that adjusts using GPS and Starlink positioning. Gaming or streaming, indoors or under blazing sunlight, the screen is perfectly calibrated. Performance and battery inside. X23 Neural Chip co-developed with Tesla AI, capable of running apps, games, and AI models on device. Storage? Up to 2 TB, enough for offline Starlink maps, AI models, and Tesla vehicle data. Battery? 4,800 mAh aluminum ion cell, charging 10x faster than lithium-ion. 10 minutes plugged in, almost a full day's power. Important point, but that's not all. The Pi phone has a secret that could make your phone truly self-sufficient. You'll see in just a moment. Camera quad camera. MP main. 48 MP ultra-wide, 50 MP telephoto with 10x zoom, and a dedicated astrophotography lens. Astrophotography links with Starlink satellites to capture constellations, planets, and even the ISS. Video? 16K at 60 FPS with satellite stabilization, software and ecosystem TeslaOS, hybrid of Android and Tesla Car UI. Unlock your Tesla. Monitor charging, run diagnostics, and control your solar roof and Powerwall. Not just a phone, an ecosystem controller. Important point. And now, the part you've been waiting for. The 10 hidden Starlink secrets that make this phone unlike anything else in the world. The 10 Starlink Secrets built-in Starlink antenna. Phone works anywhere. No cell towers, satellite-to-satellite messaging, text anyone, anywhere, even without a Pi phone. Tesla car integration. Unlock and control your Tesla globally. Solar charging mode. Trickle charges itself under the sun. Space emergency SOS. Sends live coordinates, vitals, and video. Starlink AR maps. Real-time AR navigation from satellites. Crypto mining, Mars coin. Earn crypto while your phone idles. Neuralink ready. Control via micro gestures or future brain sync AI. Starlink translator. Instant translation offline. Anywhere. Interplanetary mode. Mars-ready connectivity. Important point. And the 10th secret. It's so insane, it might make you question if this is even a phone for Earth. Price and final thoughts. All this tech. 4K display, X23 Neural Chip, Starlink, solar charging, interplanetary readiness for just $789. Cheaper than iPhones and Galaxies, yet decades ahead. Will this kill Apple and Samsung? Or is it the first step in Tesla's plan to merge phones, cars, satellites, and humans into one ecosystem? One thing's for sure, the Tesla Pi phone isn't just a smartphone, it's a paradigm shift. Finally, which Starlink secret blew your mind the most? Comment below. I love reading your takes. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You don't want to miss the next Tesla reveal. This is just the beginning. I'm signing off. Road Zone Reviews. See you in the next video.